Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check serial number for your earbuds HUAWEI FreeBuds Wi-Fi. So basically we have a few options how to check it. The first one, we can use a box, and at the bottom right here we have serial number, and this one is serial number for the charging case, because the charging case is considered the main device as it handles Bluetooth connectivity and charging. That's why. Now, the second option is to use HUAWEI AI Life application. You need to open it. Of course, you need to add your earbuds to the application, then you will see them as a device list. Tap at your earbuds and then click at the 3 dots at the right top, but if you have Android you will have 4 dots here. Then device settings. After that, go to device information, and right here we have the first one, the serial number for the charging case. I tell you why it calls device, because it's the main here. So right here then we have for the left and right earbuds. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!